Because if you call somebody up and say, oh my gosh, I took a look at this information and I thought of you right away, I know you'd be interested in this, you're putting a ton of pressure on your prospect. They don't even know what it is, but they know that when you show it to them, you're expecting them to sign up. And so that puts too much tension in the presentation. It's just, I want you to see it with your own eyes. You may or may not be interested. So that way they can feel the pressure's off. Just take a look and make up for their own mind whether or not they may be interested. It also solves any objection that you may get. Because if somebody says, well, I don't think I would need legal services, you say, like I said, you may or may not be interested. But I'd like to show you what I'm doing, because at least if you see it, whether it's for you or not, you'll know the type of person that could use services like this, and maybe you could refer me to someone, but you have to see it first so you can even know who you might be able to refer me to. Fair enough? And so, again, you just want them to see the information. So the first thing is we have to get good at the art of inviting. The second thing is you have to get good at the art of promoting. So we've often said,